Natural and home remedies for mad cow disease. Treatment of mad cow disease is somewhat limited, however, some home remedies have been identified to slow the progression of the disease. Several supplements can be used to defer the effects of the disease and prevent further onset of the condition. A condition that began in bovine, mad cow disease has mutated and can now affect a human. The disease is considered rare and degenerative and typical affects the health of the brain. Generally characterized by rapidly progressing dementia, mad cow disease, also known as Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease or CJD, includes other symptoms such as poor muscle coordination, personality changes, impaired memory and judgment and limited vision. Researchers suggests that the agent that causes the disease is an abnormal version or mutation of a protein normally found on cell surfaces. These abnormal proteins are called prions. The disease is spread by eating beef products contaminated with these prions or from cattle infected with the disease. Home remedies for Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. While no cure for the disease has been identified as of yet, several home remedies and supplements show promising results. Taking DMSO as a supplement as well as apple cider vinegar and carpilic acid may prevent the onset of the disease and slow progression of symptoms. Effective treatment of beef, including treating beef with DMSO and avoiding mass-processed meats, may also be helpful for avoiding the disease. DMSO. Dimethyl sulfoxide is an organic compound that contains sulfur. Known for its tissue healing property, DMSO is effective for bonding to the prions that cause mad cow disease and eliminating them. Additionally, the supplement speeds the healing of tissue, further treating the conditions of the disease. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar may serve as an additional treatment option for CJD. A known detoxifying agent, apple cider vinegar binds to toxins in the system and eliminates them. Caprylic acid. A fairly new treatment option, caprylic acid is the active ingredient in Axona, a medical food. The theory behind this treatment option lies in the body's ability to break down caprylic acid into ketone bodies that likely serve as an alternative energy source for the brain. As such, brain processing continues even after the disease has caused deterioration of tissue. While a very rare disease, mad cow is a relative concern in some parts of the world. Natural supplements can offer relief from the issue and may even reverse some of the damaging side effects. Milk and milk products are not believed to pose any risk for transmitting mad cow disease to humans. Experiments have shown that milk from mad cow-infected cows has not caused infections. Mad cow disease, and its human counterpart Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, are fatal diseases that cause sudden, progressive dementia, depression, behavioral changes, impaired vision and a loss of coordination. The culprit is an abnormal protein called a prion that transforms healthy protein molecules into infectious ones, eventually causing sponge-like holes in the brain. Short of bypassing the beef, there are some steps you can take to minimize your risk. Avoid ground beef, unless you grind it yourself. Proteins that cause BSE in cows are more likely to be in ground beef than steaks, because ground meat comes from several cuts of meat and can include bone marrow or other questionable parts. Buy organic beef since it provides some assurance of humane treatment of animals. Small so-called natural beef operations may provide similar assurances. Skip processed beef products like hot dogs, sausage and bologna. They are riskier because of the parts of cattle that may be used. Stick with whole, boneless cuts to be extra careful. Rolled roasts, for example, instead of bone-in cuts like T-bone steak, may be safer because you avoid the potentially risky marrow.